Now, our days and nights might be getting cooler, but if you plan to enjoy the great outdoors, you'll still need to spray on that insect repellent. We're learning mosquitoes have tested positive for a dangerous mosquito-transmitted disease known as EEE, Eastern Equine Encephalitis. Channel 3's Courtney Zeller has more on where it was and why humans aren't really prone to it.
4 mosquitoes have tested positive for EEE in Connecticut. Eastern equine encephalitis was found in 1 mosquito in Hampton in mid-September, and 3 were found in North Stonington last week.
This summer, with the abundant rainfall and the relatively warm fall, it's causing the mosquito population to numbers are really up and higher than average.
The state's agricultural experiment station's Dr. Philip Armstrong tells us this isn't unexpected.
Mosquitoes are still active, yet although the numbers are declining with the cooler weather, they are still active and biting people.
The station has 91 trapping stations in Connecticut. EEE is usually found in rural areas, and horses are more prone to the virus. But the animals have a vaccine. Humans do not. While EEE is rare for humans to catch, a few cases are reported in the United States every year. In fact, 5 years ago, someone from Connecticut died from the disease.
The fatality rate is quite high. About 30% of those that develop severe disease or are hospitalized die from the infection. We had 1 fatality here in Connecticut back in 2013, an otherwise healthy individual.
Cases of EEE begin with mild symptoms, but if it gets worse, doctors tell us you might have to be hospitalized.
The most feared complication of this infection is an inflammation of the brain known as encephalitis. And patients will develop high fever and chills, a very bad headache, and this can progress on to disorientation, perhaps seizures, and even coma.
You can reduce your risk by wearing insect repellent and long clothing and staying inside when mosquitoes are most active. Mosquitoes aren't going anywhere until the first hard frost. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.